In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to use voice changer in Roblox on a PC and laptop and how you can use a voice changer for free in the Roblox. So let's get started. So first of all, if you're already in the Roblox, what you need to do is you have to close the Roblox here. And now we need to do a few more things. That is all about just go to the Google Chrome over here. Now in the Google Chrome, we need to search here for voice mode. Now you just need to go over here. This is the first site which you have to select that called voice mode. Select this. And this is absolutely free. And now what you need to do is we have to download this. So click on download for free. So what happens is it will be downloaded on your computer. And once it's successfully downloaded, what you need to do is we have to install the voice mode on your computer. Now, as you can see, when you click on the download, the voice mode is successfully downloaded. Now we just need to click on the voice mode. And from here, we have to run this. And this is what it is. As you can see, this is a voice mode installer and we need to right now install the voice mode on the computer. So just go for the yes. So the usual way is very simple. You have to select the language that you wanted to keep and just go for the next. And from here, once you get into this, you have to just wait and just wait so that it will load up. Now, if you have anything, just need to close it. And over here, you can see the voice mode will be over here. And right now, go for the next. Select or put a check on I accept the agreement and go for the next. And select the location where you wanted to install this and go for this and go for the next. And just go for install. And right now, as you can see, the software will be installed over here. This is just like the usual way. It is very simple. Once the voice mode is successfully installed, we have to set up few things inside it. Then we just need to connect the voice mode with the Roblox and I'll demonstrate you that one by one. Now we have to click on the finish. Now as you can see, the voice mode will be popping up on a computer. And inside this, we have to set a few things like we have to select the input and all those things. So just wait so that it will completely load up. And now once you get into this, you have to go to get started. And that is going to do this. So it will be having a redirection. So you don't have to worry, just close it, minimize this. So we'll be taken to this. Now click on get started. And now as you can see, you have to select the microphone and the speaker. So here I have selected my microphone over here. That is microphone 80 microphone. And also I have selected the output device as my speaker and just go for the next. And click on start using voice mode. And what happens is that is going to take you to this. And this is the voice mode. And right now, as you can see over here, we have free sounds as well, paid one. If you go over here at the top, you can see on the voices you will selected. All these over here are free and some of these are paid. So if you want the paid one, you need to renew the subscription. But if you wanted to use the free one, you can use it. Now we need to link the voice mode to the Roblox. So to do so, what you need to do is you have to go back to the Google Chrome. Now from here, what you need to do is just get into the Roblox. Now from here, you have to search for any kind of thing. For example, steal a brain rot. Just open any game that you wanted to play. Now click on it. So guys, once you get into the Roblox, what you need to do is we have to go over here, click on this one. That is going to take you to this and navigate to the settings. Over here from the settings, we have to go over here, scroll it down over here. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to go to the output device. Now over here, as you can see, you have to select this. We have various options. Now we have to, over here, as you can see, I've selected the output device as the voice mode, not the output device. I'll keep this as it is, speaker. So I'll do one thing, just go over here, find everything. Now we have to scroll it down. And now what you need to do is you have to go to the output device. And over here in the output device, you have to just change it. As you can see, it is on speaker. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm just going to change it. Now it says high definition and go over here. As you can see, this is dummy output, that voice mode. So voice mode is what it is. Now if you go back to the voice mode and if you select any sound over here in the voice mode, that particular sound will be played over here on your Roblox and you can talk to them. And this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.